Oh, hi.
Do you have any medical conditions? Do you have any medical conditions?
No.
Ma'am, are you okay?
Hey.
Do you need an ambulance?
No.
What's going on?
Oh, nothing.
She's conscious and breathing. She's throwing up. Can you turn the car off and give me the keys, please?
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Do you know where you are right now?
No.
Where are you coming from tonight?
Oh, God. Can I go away?
No, I gotta make sure you're okay. I show up and you're throwing up. I gotta make sure you're good to drive. What's in that can right there? What are you drinking?
Oh.
A White Claw? Where'd you come from tonight?
Just my house.
Where do you live at? Or where are you going to? Or you said you left from your house. Do you know where you're going to?
Yeah.
Where were you driving to? Do you know where you are right now?
Oh, yeah. You?
Is that where you live?
Yeah.
That's not where you are right now.
Oh. Oh, where am I?
How many of those White Claws have you had to drink?
I don't remember.
When did you start drinking?
10-4.
Okay, well look, here's the deal. You have alcohol right there. You're throwing up.
Okay.
I can smell it.
Okay.
How many have you had to drink tonight?
Oh, God. At least 3 or 4.
And you thought you were okay to drive?
Yeah.
I do not think you're okay to drive. Alright, so hop out of the car. Watch, your phone is right under your seat. I just don't want it to break on the ground. It's under your leg.
Should I not? Okay. Oh, hi.
Do you have any medical conditions? Do you have any medical conditions?
No.
10-4.
Do you have anything else in the car besides that White Claw? You can hang out with her for a second. Yeah, she's wrecked. Car was running. Door was open when I walked up. She was throwing up. What's that plate? Right? DUI. Okay, yeah, that's her. She thinks, she said she was coming from home. She thinks she should have. She doesn't know where she's at. She almost fell getting out of the car. This is not an ideal place for SFSTs. But, oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, she's wasted. You can't really do SFSTs here because of the slope and stuff, but...
Go. Yep, you're good. You're good, thank you.
But, she threw up. She almost fell getting out of the car. The car was running. The door was open. Was that physical control?
The car was running?
Yeah. But I was figuring just OVI if she's like, obviously she's in the driver's seat, she drove here.
It's OVI.
Okay, that's what I figured. Okay. Just her.
Okay.
Okay. You know what I think? I think you're under the influence of alcohol.
Okay.
All right. So we're going to transport you back, and are you willing to perform some SFST, standardized field sobriety testing?
No.
Okay.
Can I go home just...
Nope.
my-
You need to face the door, put your hands on the roof, and this officer's going to pet you down real quick. Hands on the roof. She's going to pet you down. You're under arrest. You have the right to remain silent.
Okay.
Do you have anything on you that's going to poke me, stick me, stab me?
No.
Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed for you at no cost. Do you understand?
Okay.
Do you understand those? I can repeat them to you if you like.
Sure.
Alright, you have the right to remain silent. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
Do you understand that anything you say can be used against you in a court of law? You have the right to have an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed for you at no cost. Do you understand that?
Okay.
You can invoke these rights at any time. They're called Miranda rights, alright? Alright, hands behind your back. We're going to cuff you. The gloves. Yeah.
All right, ahead.
Hey.
Phone, keys. Yeah, I saw that as soon as I walked up.
Weird.
Do you have a wallet or purse you need from the vehicle?
Keys,
I
wallet.
don't
Okay.
dude. You guys are... Everything is f***ed up, dude.
I'm doing tall.
Alright, we're going to go back here.